Ever wondered what's really inside an Android app? Today, I'll show you how to decode an APK file using JADX-GUI step by step. This is for educational and cybersecurity learning only, like malware analysis or app security research. What is JADX-GUI? JADX-GUI is a free open-source tool that converts Android APK files into readable Java source code. Security researchers use it to analyze app behavior, permissions, and hidden logic. To get started, you only need three things. JADX-GUI installed an APK file. Any operating system, Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, first of all, generate an APK file using MSF Venom. Then you will get an APK file like this one. Now go to the Kali main menu, and you will see under the Resource Development section, point your cursor on that, and you will see JADX-GUI. Now click on it and wait a few seconds for it to open. Now here, click on Open File, and you will see your APK file update.apk. Click on the APK, wait a few seconds, and it will import all the files in the GUI. Now here, click on the source code, and you will see the source code of the APK file. Now here is the main target, the payload. Click on this, and you will see the payload bytes encoded in numbers. Now, how will we decode these numbers? Don't worry, I will show you how to decode these bytes. Now here, select the number 4 and go straight up to last number, 52. Now right-click on that and copy this bytes. After copying it, now I will provide a code of script for decoding these numbers. The script is written in Python. Just copy the script from the description and paste it in a TXT file, then click on Save As and rename it to bytes_decoder.py. You can put any name here. I am just giving you an example. Now, after doing all these steps, you have to give the script executable permissions. Type this command, chmod plus X your file name. Now after that, to run over the script, run this command, python3 byte_decoder.py. And here, paste your encoded bytes you have previously copied from the GUI. And here you go. You have successfully decoded the bytes. As you can see here, the attacker's IP address and port number, which are put in payloads for making reverse shells. Why this matters in cybersecurity. APK decoding is a key skill in malware analysis, reverse engineering, and Android security testing. Ethical hackers use it to understand threats. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Kali Linux and cybersecurity content.